Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install Playwright. In order to install Playwright, we need certain tools and commands to run. So basically, like first of all, we need node.js. So basically, how we install node.js is like from here. So there is a website called node.js downloads. So you need to go downloads section of node.js site, and here you need to download it, right? And the next step would be like to install Visual Studio Code. Now, how to install Visual Studio Code? We can do from here. Download VS Code. Go here. You can download for Windows. So I am using Windows operating system. So you can download as per your operating system. So now is time to run the commands and install the Playwright. So I am going to the folder. This folder is already created. I am going to the command line. I open the command line and I will run certain commands to install Playwright. So I already installed node.js. So how to know the which version of node.js we install? Node.-v. So what will happen that it will give the message version 22.16.0. So it means that you install the 22 version of node.js. So basically why we are installing node.js is it is useful. It is a it provides a runtime environment to run your JavaScript code. So basically when we are doing the programming through the Playwright, so we will be we will be using JavaScript and TypeScript. So that's why I have installed node.js. Now next step. Now it's time to run Playwright. So let us install Playwright. So I'm installing Playwright. It will take some time. It is asking TypeScript, JavaScript. I selected TypeScript. Where to put your end-to-end test cases? So test folder. So add git folder workflow. Yes, I selected yes. Install Playwright browsers. Yes. So it is installing the Playwright browser. So basically we will be using Chrome, and so here it will download Chrome browser. It will install drivers for the Firefox, and it will also install the drivers for the WebKit. So basically by default we will using Chrome, but later I will explain you how to run your automation script through various browsers. So once it is installed, it will give you the message. You can see here it is installing browsers, downloading browsers, and it is already downloaded packages which are necessary for the Playwright. Now installation has been started. Just wait for a few minutes, then we will be done with the installing of the Playwright. Let us wait for some time. It is taking some time to install. Now it is installing a WebKit. Firefox is already installed. So finally, we are able to install Playwright. Let us see whether if we are able to run the test cases or not. So I'm running the command npx playwright. So let us see whether we are able to run the test cases or not. If the test cases are running successfully, it means that we are able to install the Playwright successfully. So let's see. So probably it will start running the test cases. So running 6 test cases using 2 workers. So I think it is running in the headless mode. Headless mode means in the background. So I will run later. I will try to run later in a headed mode. Headed mode means it will launch the browser. Basically, when I run the command npx playwright test, it will run in the headless mode. Headless mode means in the background. So once it is finish the execution, then I will execute in a headed mode. So let us wait to finish entire execution. Just wait. Some of the test case got failed. We will check later, but I think it is running. It is executing the test cases. So this means that we are able to install a Playwright successfully. So just wait for a few minutes. Let us wait to finish entire execution. So now we are running the test cases in WebKit. So previously, initially it started with the running the test cases in Chrome browser. Then it started running with the Firefox. Now it is running with the WebKit. So it will execute in all three browsers in the background. So just wait to finish all the execution. I think this is the last browser we are testing. Now you see two test cases are passed, remaining got failed. So it is also we can also see the generated report, how many test cases passed, fail, and why it got failed. It will give the summary of all the test cases. Just okay. So I just press Control plus C for entire execution. I terminated the execution. Now see, now you will see it will launch the Edge browser automatically. You see now, okay, there's some problem, might be. We'll check later. Now the basic goal was to install the Playwright. Now we are able to install the Playwright successfully, right? Now go back and see those commands, right? So init npm init y, to avoid confusion, this will initialize the packet.json file. But as of now, I will tell you later how to initialize the packet.json file, since we already executed this npm init playwright latest. So this command, we don't need this command, right? So we can remove this command. So just we need to install this node.js. We need to check the verify the node.js version. Then we can directly install the Playwright. Just now, I hope that you are able to understand how to install Playwright. So that's it, guys. Later we will cover how to create test cases in Playwright and how to execute those test cases in Playwright.